Hi, Assalamu alaikum, and good afternoon to you, everybody. As I was giving you all the information regarding that immigration of Canada, it is slightly, the numbers, total scores came down by 3 numbers. Like normally people used to qualify for that number 480. Now it came up 478. You can apply as an student anytime, but you have to pay for the 1 semester fee and depend on your program. Sometimes you have to get IELTS, depend what course you're choosing. I always mentioned all my videos, there's a links always underneath in description. You can find that link and go through it. You will select your course from the specific colleges and universities, and then you will know that what exactly score you will need it to apply for an immigration. Or student visa or immigration is pretty much everything same thing. Few people asked few questions, which is very weird questions. They were saying that can we come there and can we do marriage up there in Canada? Well, I cannot say that. That is pretty bad thing that someone is asking like that. It's your luck. If you have a wife here, she can sponsor you. Or if you are Canadian citizen or permanent resident, you can call your wife as a spouse or sponsor. So that is 2 different things. Don't mix up together. Also, government getting very lenient, because recently immigration federal minister and the immigration provincial minister, they met together and they were just having conversation on that new rules. They might be a bit more lenient, and you have to stay in touch, and you have to update your old information. There is only one website will give you all the answers. Very easy, very, very easy. It looks difficult, but it isn't difficult at all. For example, if you cannot understand anything, there is like thousands of software. You can just hit the screen, they will convert into Urdu or Hindi or whatever language you want. So you can read it in your own language, which sort of like where you can get your slot, where you can fix yourself, you can see yourself where you are getting. So numbers are very important. Used to be the major problem was if your age is more than 40, normally they don't get approved. That was the problem. But now they introduce so many immigrations, like there is no age limit. But there is no means, it's not that you can be 65 years old or something, but they are quite reasonable. And no one give you exact time, because no one knows exact time. Even if someone knows, they won't tell you. Nobody can tell you, but timelines are there as well on the website. So all you have to do, just float on the websites, just go through all that websites. It's just a one website, but it has parts in there. So it's not difficult at all. It's very easy, very simple, few steps away. Do not pay to anyone for anything. Okay, let me give you an example. For example, if I fill your immigration officer, first of all, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not I'm nothing, right? So your date of birth, your full name, your detail, your education of years, that's the one the people ask you to provide them, and they're going to write it down same thing on the paper for the apply. So your information you knows very well, so you can write it down. instead of going all around the bushes and wasting lots of money, hard earning money. So do not waste anything on those issues. They will ask your name, type your name there. Age, date of birth, education, level of education. Few things I would say that you should consider that one. The pilot program, it has very minimum IELTS required in certain categories. For example, if you're like mechanic or welder or denter or anything with a skilled or handyman or skilled person, you don't need to be worried about anything, because they knows that you are coming as a skilled worker. You are not coming as a skilled as accountant or doctor or an engineer. They have their different score level. For students, it's academic IELTS you have to go through. For the other one, you have to do that general for skilled workers. Whenever you need any information, just type me a question as you was typing your questions, but not the stupid question that I can find you a lady for marriage. I cannot do that. Even no one can do that in this world. So do that legitimate way. Do not waste your money. Do not waste your time. Canada is such a wonderful place. I lived in England and Canada. Both are very good countries. Trust me, honestly. But as long as you are coming through right path, do not choose the wrong way. I will explain a few things in Urdu and Hindi. People might understand way better. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एक और बात मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि जो बहुत डिमांड में चीज़ है वो है ट्रक ड्राइवर्स. दे आर मेकिंग गुड मनी अप हियर. दे आर मेकिंग सच अ वंडरफुल हैंडसम अमाउंट. आपको यहाँ आके ट्रकिंग का कोर्स मतलब पास करना पड़ता है, उसकी गवर्नमेंट की कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट है. उसके बाद जॉब्स यहाँ पर आपको, अगर आईटी की जो जॉब्स है ना, उसकी अच्छी सैलरी है. सैलरी यहाँ 25-30,000 से स्टार्ट होती है, चाहे आप टिम हॉर्टन भी करें, कुछ भी करें. लेकिन लोगों की जॉब्स 120 तक भी हैं डॉलर्स अ ईयर. सो आपको सिर्फ डिपेंड ये करता है कि कौन सी बेस्ट कैटेगरी में आप आ रहे हैं. एज ए ट्रक ड्राइवर भी आ सकते हैं, ऐसे किसी भी चीज़ में आ सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट डिफ़िकल्ट एट ऑल. इट्स जस्ट ऑन योर डिस्क्रिप्शन दैट अगर आप अपने आप को थोड़ा टाइम देते हैं इंटरनेट पे, वेबसाइट पे, यू विल गेट इट, यू विल नेम इट. स्काई इज़ द लिमिट. किसके ख्वाब हैं जो कनाडा में आया और पूरे नहीं हुए? आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई हैवंट सीन एनीवन. सो अगर आपकी मजबूरियां हैं, आपको लगता है आप 8-10 साल अच्छा हार्डवर्क कर सकते हैं, सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस फॉर यू गाइस. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. Don't give it to con artist. And if you have to know about anything, let me know. And don't pay anything to anyone. Thank you very much.